Poonam Sharma and you are watching Sadbhavna News powered by RD Memorial Group of Institutions. Glenmark Pharma cuts price of COVID-19 drug by 27% to Rs 75 per tablet. In a regulatory filing, Glenmark announced a price reduction of 27% for FebiFlu. The new MRP is Rs 75 per tablet, Glenmark said. Drug firm Glenmark Pharmaceuticals on Monday said it has cut price of its antiviral drug Favipiravir under the brand name of FebiFlu for the treatment of patients with mild to moderate COVID-19 by 27% to Rs 75 per tablet. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals had launched FebiFlu last month at a price of Rs 103 per tablet. The price reduction has been made possible through benefits gained from higher yields and better scale as both the active pharmaceutical ingredients API and formulations are made at Glenmark's facilities in India, the benefits of which are being passed on to patients in the country, the filing said. Our internal research shows us that we launched FebiFlu in India at the lowest market cost as compared to the cost of Favipiravir in other countries where it is approved. And now we hope that this further price reduction will make it even more accessible for patients across the country, Glenmark Pharmaceutical Senior Vice President and Head India Business Alok Malik said. Further, the company has commenced a post-marketing surveillance study on FebiFlu to closely monitor the efficacy and safety of the drug in 1,000 patients that are prescribed with the oral antiviral as part of an open-label, multi-center, single-arm study, the filing added. On June 20, Glenmark announced that it received manufacturing and marketing approval from India's drug regulator for FebiFlu, making it the first oral Favipiravir approved medication in India for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19. Glenmark has also completed the phase 3 clinical trial with Favipiravir in mild to moderate COVID-19 patients in India. The trial results will be available shortly, the company said. Glenmark is also conducting another phase 3 clinical trial to evaluate the efficacy of two antiviral drugs, Favipiravir and Umifenovir, as a combination therapy in moderate hospitalized adult COVID-19 patients in India.